Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you when you trying to swap in particular network, right? For example, if I want to swap in Polygon network but I don't have Polygon, what can I do? Like uh, if you don't have the Polygon in your network, how you gonna swap, how you gonna pay the fees? So for that we got some nice trick. It's actually from one of the YouTuber I just saw. I will tag him possible in the description. Just it's a quite nice feature to have. See, for example, I want Matic in my Polygon, right? Polygon mainnet. For that, you need to go to MetaMask, and if we choose our particular network, that is Polygon network, I have wrapped it, but I don't have Matic. If I try to swap, right, wrap it max to what I want is Matic review swap. Basically, it is on Polygon network, so just give sorry. Basically, we want to convert our wrapped it into Matic, right? But I found that I don't have any Matic, so I am going to pay the gas fees. For that, we got some new trick. Go to wallet wallet Polygon technology. It is the official site. Don't click on this, guys. Just see how scammy people are. They are running ads in order to lure you into the particular fake website. Just see polygon.technology.site. This is wrong address, so never click on ads. Not just this, any basic web 2 application also never click on ads. Confirm twice or thrice on the particular website you are going to use. Okay, go to wallet.polygon.technology. I don't know what I one should do for this scammy people. uh, these people will see. Polygon web wallet v2. Go here and you can connect your Polygon wallet here. I mean MetaMask wallet. Basically, you should just sign in. uh, it will load and it will show you the particular balances you have, right? So what you can do here, go for swap for gas token. Here select amount of token you want to swap for. Like I want one Matic, right? That's more than enough, I believe. Let's just see. Yeah, after that, uh, what particular we have, I mean asset we have wrapped it. Go for wrapped it. Is that it? I think this is the only thing. Click on it. Yeah, this much of ETH we have, right? And we want to convert it to one Matic. Estimated one Matic we will need to pay this much of wrapped ETH. So approve. Approve and a pop-up comes. Go here, sign. This pause, just wait. Right, let's check whether we got our Matic or not. This is the first time I am trying, so let's see, it might take some time or what. This is a gasless transaction. You can pay gas for around 5,000 transactions from Firematic. Alright, but still I didn't receive, right? Did the money. Yeah guys, I found out that we need to click on swap. For the first time it will ask for approval. Basically after approval I was checking the data and all, but we need to click on swap again in order to get the funds. We'll see. As it is my first time, even I got little confused here. Let's see whether we will get our tokens swap. Sign. Basically you will do two steps. One is approving, one is swapping. So we'll see how it goes. Few seconds to be continued. Transaction complete, view on Polygon. If we now check here, come on, shit. Still, yeah, uh, recording. Yeah, basically now we got that right. As we can see here, we got our matic. Now we want more matic, so we will swap the whatever the Ethereum available. We will swap it to matic, and we will reduce the slippage and click on max here. If you want to send all of it, or you can type it interview swap. Basically it will take this much of matic. All right, your matic will be added to your account once the transaction has passed. See, all right, it's much faster. Yeah, basically we just need to refresh it, and hopefully we didn't got yet. Yeah, maybe it might take a second or two, we'll see. Basically we get our matic. So this is how you can, if you don't have enough matic in your MetaMask in order to do a transaction or a swap, like this you can convert your any coins in particular MetaMask to uh, any particular, like any coin. I mean, check the list if you that coin is supported or not. Once you did that, what you can do is click number of matic you want, select the Ethereum or anything basically, so that you will first you have to approve and you can swap. You will get the particular matic in order to uh, do the transaction. By doing this, you won't pay gas for in order to getting the matic. So later on, if you do any particular transaction between here, you will pay matic with the with matic as fees, right? So like this guys, you can basically use this Polygon wallet technology uh, for your advantage, right? This is a really cool feature, in my opinion. Yeah, success. So go ahead and use it for hacks like this. For information like this, please subscribe to our channel guys.